Hey friends, this is Brent with Lift Ray and Toolon. Eveage sent me this pressure washer surface cleaner and undercarriage car cleaner. This thing is all stainless steel and it is perfect for cleaning surfaces. It is 13 inches in diameter. Now I'm using it with a 2000 psi electric pressure washer, but this can go up to 4000 psi. You can do up to 3.7 gallons per minute with this. Now the one that I'm using is a 1.6 gallon per minute pressure washer. There is so much about this that I'm so impressed with. The quality of construction, the brass fittings, the 1/4 inch quick connect to any pressure washer, which is very important. Now the wheels and all the construction of the wheels, it does have 3 wheels, not 2 wheels, so you have a lot more stabilization, and it's that consistent space to the ground what you really want. As you can see, how it's cleaning right now is so consistent, and it's going to collect that dirt, but over a single pass it really does a great job. Now we're going to go back to clean that up. A couple different things that you also should know about this is that you get extra one, so it is longer. You can get up under there quicker. We talked about an undercarriage of your vehicle cleaning. Now I live in New England in the United States. We have a lot of snow, we have a lot of salt, so you got to clean it off. So this is very, very important to have. But look how smooth this is running back and forth. And even at 2000 psi, look at this water coming out. So you know it's cleaning up under your car so well. Thanks for watching.